everybody. I've just gotten back from riding some waves. They were righteous. And now I'm gonna be going to a beach party tonight. Come join me and see what I'm gonna make. Right on. For this beach party, I'm making beach meatloaf canapes. Grab a bowl, 1 pound of ground meat. I'm using turkey. Chop some onion. Put it in the bowl. 2 eggs in the bowl. Garlic, paprika, pepper, breadcrumbs, and some teriyaki. Squish it together. What else can I put in here? I'm thinking of putting some of my special mushrooms in this dish.
Whoa! Mushrooms in the meatloaf! Wild! This is cool! Trippin'!
I'm ready to catch the big kahuna. Whoa! I think I'll skip the mushrooms. Let's get back to cooking. Whoa, that's better. Okay, I'm gonna take this meatloaf mixture and I'm gonna fill up some muffin cups with the mix. I'm putting these in a 375-degree oven for about 35 minutes. This is gonna be served on a rosemary baguette. A little teriyaki sauce on that bread. Meatloaf is finished. Put some on each piece of bread. Pineapple. Some more teriyaki sauce. And some fried onions to top it off. Meatloaf canapé, anyone? Let the 60s fun continue and ride this wave over to these channels.